Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to fix Netflix when you can't update your payment. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Whenever you're trying to update your payment on Netflix and you really can't do that, then that can be pretty much frustrating. So in today's video, we're going to discuss on how to fix the issue. The first thing to do in order to solve the issue is to go to your Play Store and search for Netflix. From the search result, check if there is any updates available for your Netflix application. If you're not updated to the latest version of Netflix, then this problem might arise. So make sure to update your application, and once you do that, go to your settings on your phone. Under settings, go to apps, and under apps, find Netflix from the list of the applications displayed on the screen. Tap it on after you spot the app. Now, tap on Force Stop at the bottom right, and from the pop-up select OK. Go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right, and tap on Clear Data at the bottom left, and from the pop-up select OK. Now once you make this change, go back to Netflix application and tap it on. If prompted, sign into your Netflix account, and now go to the top right corner and select your profile picture. At the bottom of the page, tap on Account. From this page, scroll a bit down and tap on Manage Payment Info. Now go ahead and tap on Add Payment Method and complete your update for your payment. After you make this change, your problem for your Netflix payment error will be solved. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.